I'm Jen. It's nice to meet you. Ouch, you're so weird. Okay, it's nice to meet you all, virtually, digitally, I don't know. I love brunch, and I don't know who else likes brunch. For all you brunch lovers out there, including me, myself, and my fellow brunchers, brunchies, brunch mates, I'm going to teach you how to make it at home. Today we're going to make avocado toast with poached eggs. Avocado toast is one of my favorite go-to breakfast, brunch, dinner, any kind of meal, but I'm going to say brunch because I like brunch. Poached eggs used to scare me a lot, but actually it's not that scary. It's not daunting at all. It's actually quite easy. Okay, so anyway, let's begin. Alright, I'm going to start off with an English muffin, and I'm going to cut that in half. Now that I have the English muffin cut in half, I'm going to put a little bit of butter on top. I'm going to put a sliver of butter on top on both sides because I want it to be nice and crunchy when it comes out. I don't know what the butter does, but it does something to help congeal or crunchify this whole thing, and I love it. So I suggest you do it too. You can try it. For the non-butter lovers, you can omit this. That's fine. You can just toast it without. Take it and toast it. And we're gonna need some guacamole that I have prepared. If you'd like to know how to make guacamole, I'll provide a link below for my guacamole video. So I'm gonna teach you how to poach an egg today. Yay! I'm gonna take 2 eggs. I actually put them at room temperature. I don't know if it's better or worse at room temperature, but fresh eggs are always the best because then you don't have so much of that like icky, slimy stuff. All right, great. Here I have a sieve, I have a bowl, so I'm gonna crack an egg and I'm gonna run it through the sieve. From here, after I crack the egg, there's like extra liquid that comes out. This is why you want the sieve, to remove all that extra. The fresher the egg, the less liquid you have. And then I'm gonna take another bowl and I'm just going to plop my egg into this bowl. Now it's liquid free. In case you missed the first one, I'm gonna do it one more time. So I'm going to take an egg with my sieve and bowl. I'm going to crack an egg inside. Cracking it on a flat surface is better than cracking it on an edge or something because you're less likely to get your eggshells in your egg. Can you see this? This will help secure and make sure your poached egg looks pretty, because who doesn't like pretty things, huh? And when you're ready, all that liquid is gone. We're just going to transfer it on into a bowl. Now I have 2 eggs. They look like eyes. Now we're ready to poach. So I have here a pot of water. I filled it about halfway. I started boiling a little, and you see those bubbles? Once you see those bubbles, I'm gonna bring it down to a simmer because I don't want those bubbles to be popping up so much and ruining my beautiful poached egg. I'm gonna turn the heat down, and now it's a slight simmer. I'm gonna put it on low heat, and I'm just gonna let those bubbles maybe not be so aggressive. Wait for a sec. I have my eggs prepared to the side. 1, 2. Take a spatula or spoon or whatever it is, and I'm going to spin my water. I want to create a whirlpool. After I spin it, I'm just going to dump my egg in the middle, right? And it's spinning, woo! So I'm gonna keep pushing the water like this because I have one more egg that I want to do. So I'm just gonna take that, make it spin, and dump the other one in. All right, and then I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes. And now we wait. While we're waiting for the eggs to poach, let's make our avocado toast. So remember, prior to before, I had my English muffins toasted. And now it's great. It's nice and crispy. Great. Now I'm gonna take my guacamole and I'm just gonna put some on top. And on top of this, I'm gonna put some prosciutto from Wegmans, and I love this stuff. So on top of this, I'm just gonna put a few slices of prosciutto on top of my avocado. And have a piece to have as a snack because it's so good. And now our poached eggs are ready. Remember our poached eggs? Now, look at how beautiful they are. We just gotta scoop them out now. And I'm just going to place my poached eggs on top of my prosciutto if it wants to stay. I don't think it does. All right, well, that's hot. Put it on one and the other one. Ooh, now we have poached eggs on top of this. I also like to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a nice little drizzle, as well as some balsamic vinegar. Adds a nice little tang to the situation. Balsamic glazes work really well as well. So here I'm gonna sprinkle some chia seeds on top for some health benefits and to make it look complete. Ta-da! I like paprika. This just gives it a little bit of color, just a dash. And there you have it. Brunch is served. I hope you like it. Until next time.